fuck about who gon' ride for me. Cause I'ma ride for me. Let you have it, it's gon' be a homicide. Surrounded by this fake love, it's bad blood. How you with me when you fuck with bros? That's bad blood. How you cross me, we come out the mud. That's bad blood. Snake shit for a stamp, that's bad blood in the count. She ain't shit, you gotta buy her love. That's bad blood. She gon' fuck off holding on the grudge. That's bad blood. Lay her with you, plotting to set you up. That's bad blood. Gotta stay on your toes. It's bad blood with these hoes. I ain't just rapping, don't do no capping, and I won't sugarcoat what happened. Came to you like the man I am, I never told God it what happened. Texting calls, you ain't respond. Seen too much, don't play with guns. Tried to nip it in the bud. Bad blood is what it was. I'm popping meds like crazy. Not you. I'm letting certain shit phase me. Not you. I'm reading shit on the blogs. What? Like what happened with you and your dog. Can't believe it came to this hill. Really thought shit was sincere. Let a big hater get in your ear. Big bitch. It could've been our year. Saw Courtney with you at Icebox. I approached him trying to smack him. You jumped in the way of my action. Why you do that? I couldn't take your reaction. I treated you like a little brother. I'm big brother. Look at us now, this shit crazy. Could've been on tour getting hella guap. I really thought we were fed, baby. Surrounded by this fake love. It's bad blood. How you with me when you fuck with bros? That's bad blood. How you cross me, we come out the mud. That's bad blood. Snake shit for a stamp. That's bad blood in the count. She ain't shit, you gotta buy her love. That's bad blood. She gon' fuck off holding on the grudge. That's bad blood. Lay her with you, plotting to set you up. That's bad blood. Gotta stay on your toes. It's bad blood with these hoes. You told me secrets I won't speak on, and I never ever will. Cop that Michael Myers chain because you gave me that idea. Shit was so real on my end, though. I treated you like my kin. Folks got you a monkey on GP. Still love Joe Ben in 3-3. And I'ma leave it at that. Maybe one day we can laugh and talk that shit out, but until then, I'ma drop the situation. Watch what you say round these hoes, cause they cross shit up. Have a nigga at your neck trying to box you up. All this hate coming from every angle. Word of love, no offense to all you bitches. You hard to trust, I'm too heartless, I don't care about choice. Don't get no fuck, you don't love me, that shit lust. You might throw me under the bus, yeah. Surrounded by this fake love, it's bad blood. How you with me when you fuck with bros? That's bad blood. How you cross me, we come out the mud. That's bad blood. Snake shit for a stamp. That's bad blood in the count. She ain't shit, you gotta buy her love. That's bad blood. She gon' fuck off holding on the grudge. That's bad blood. Lay her with you, plotting to set you up. That's bad blood. Gotta stay on your toes. It's bad blood with these hoes. Hearing niggas saying they gon' ride for me. Really don't get no fuck about who gon' ride for me. Cause I'ma ride for me. Let you have it, it's gon' be a homicide by me.
Spaceship like I'm on Space Jam. I just put 400 pounds on a Greyhound. Fuck the front, the back, and made lil' mama lay it down. Damn. Black Trans Am. Hey, what's that? Blunt behind my ear. Lil' counting these meals. All my rocks is clear. Horses in my wheel. That nigga too real. Player of the year. Hustling ass nigga. God bless me with a gift. I take your contract and wipe my ass with your record deal. She got a fat ass. I might leave a fat tip. You can have whatever you like, bitch. I feel like tips. I come through shining hard. Let a little nigga live. When I was a kid, I used to watch MTV Crib. Now I'm smoking kush sitting in my MTV Crib. Put that dick up in her, said she feel it in her ribs. Getting head in my office like I'm President Bill. Put up in that spaceship like I'm on Space Jam. I just put 400 pounds on a Greyhound. Fuck the front, the back, and made lil' mama lay it down. Damn. Black Trans Am. Damn. You know who I am. Damn. Yeah. I came up off a gram. Damn. I did that for the fam. Fell in love with the trenches, but it didn't love me back. Fell in love with them bitches, and they didn't love you back. At least I got paid. Them hoes I don't save. Screaming free, all of my niggas praying for better days. Counted $500,000, sang close for 3 days. Yeah, I see all that hating through these Cartier. Lil' mama with me, I don't know her name, I call her Pay. Damn. Yeah, I call her Bae. Damn. she the shit, but her booty fake. Put up in that spaceship like I'm on Space Jam. I just put 400 pounds on a Greyhound. Hey, come here. Fuck the front, the back, and made lil' mama lay it down. Down. Black Trans Am.
The gangsta way, nigga, on it. I'm from the streets, so I'm cautious. Some of my old niggas cross me. I'm like, damn, you done lost me. Third around, make them back up off me. Shit they say love, ain't love shit. Really starting to hate love, yeah. Fuck with me for beneficial reasons. That's the shit you call fake love, yeah. Little bitch lucky. Now my ex bitch wanna fuck me. Now my side bitch tryna buck me. Hoe tryna bash me like I'm nothing. I got rappers tryna diss me. Family members in they feelings. I might come through like I'm Weezy. In the drop, no ceiling. Yeah, don't know what you heard. I'm straight in the purring, so quit all that joking, little nigga. This ain't no Friday, coming like worm. Pull up and smoke me a nigga. I went and got me some money, that's mandatory. I granted 41, handed to me. Just counted 200, I finna pull it. I don't start shit, I finish story. I got all these niggas hating me. Bitches that diss me trying to date me. I heard my nigga wanna ace me. Just cause the bitch trying to face me. Damn, feds trying to case me. Tie me to murder, trying to lace me. Purse got me paranoid, pacing. I hit the cup just to chase it. I got them feeling some type of way. They get on Twitter, then type of way. They just get by, they don't get away. 41, I got the bigger face. I already knew they were finna hate. But guess how much money I'm about to make? Guess how much money I just spent? Add it up, grab a pen. See my charm like 40. Then my wrist like 50. Big money. Double rings got me nifty. In the middle of Memphis at the Hilton. Right now. Same bitch said I'm ugly. What? Now she MC, I'm crushing. Man, I just burnt the head, I was rushing. No matter crushing bars in a slush. Hey. You just a nigga I used to fuck with. I don't fuck with you no more. These niggas thought I was gone until I hopped out the Mazda like I'm Bobo. I never tell the popo, pull up on them solo, yelling out YOLO. Austin P, I got the mojo. Ice-T swag, bitch like Coco. 100,000 in cash on me. I'm in the yo with the bag on me. I'm in the yo.